Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Dark offensive player from Germany, Ruben Filus faced off against Quadri Aruna in the round of 64 in the men's singles event. Unfortunately, after losing the game, Filus lost his temper and threw his racket away in frustration. The incident was particularly concerning as it nearly hit a camera woman who was sitting behind him. The camera woman narrowly avoided a potentially fatal accident by a mere millimeter. It's astounding to consider what the player was thinking at that moment. Such recklessness is sheer lunacy. This kind of behavior is unacceptable and should not be tolerated in any sport. Not only is it dangerous to those around the player, but it also shows a lack of respect for the game and the opponent. It is essential for players to maintain their composure and sportsmanship, even in the face of defeat. Throwing rackets is not only a danger to others, but can also lead to a player being disqualified or even banned from future matches. It is crucial for the International Table Tennis Federation, ITTF, to take a strong stance against this behavior and to enforce strict penalties for those who engage in it. The dark side of table tennis must be addressed, and throwing rackets should be banned. It is imperative for players to maintain their composure and show respect for the game and their opponents. Only then can we truly appreciate the incredible athleticism and skill on display in this exciting sport. What do you think about this? Should we ban throwing the racket in table tennis? Should he get the red card or should he get the disqualification?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.